and I don't mean has been formally exalted or in tempo with the tempo, which was so much more to obvious. Bilty tells us what happens in the past major 6 weeks and would seemed as President Sittles there, which is not an innovated between people office. But I think the Siddle buying was probably reset alone, a market bolster the XRP price to escape its long consolidation and surpass the $8 mark. A bullish breakout from the symmetrical triangle pattern will signal an early sign of a directional rally. The XRP coin witnessed increased accumulation at price dips, reflecting the buyers continuing to follow a positive trend cycle. The intraday trading volume in the XRP is $1.4 billion, indicating a 49% loss. The last 6 months price behavior in XRP price has been sideways, making narrow swing highs and lows within two converging trend lines. From a technical perspective, this price behavior shows the formation of a symmetrical triangle pattern. The two trend lines have been tested several times, indicating the market participants respect this chart setup. Moreover, a long tail rejection on January 3rd highlights the buyers continue to accumulate this asset at market dips, keeping the overall trend bullish despite the current uncertain sentiment. As per a recent report from Reuters, Ripplelabs, the firm behind the notable XRP cryptocurrency, has initiated purchase of $285 million worth of its shares from initial and stakeholders and employees. This acquisition is a component of a wider $500 million scheme that also covers the expenses involved in converting restricted stock units to ordinary shares. With this development and bullish market sentiment surrounding the spot Bitcoin ETF's approval, the XRP price has recently surged to 6 cents. If the bullish momentum persists, this altcoin is 6% likely to gain 6% by next week, allowing buyers to re-challenge the overhead trend line. A bullish breakout from the triangle pattern resistance is needed to escape the long consolidation. This breakout will intensify the buying momentum and may surge the price by 18% to hit 0.75s, followed by 93 cents. While the current market outlook favors a return of recovery in XRP price, the newcomers may wait for the triangle breakout for better confirmation. If the coin holders continue to witness supply pressure at the upper trend line, the asset will continue to sideways. Action probability for the whole month. Adopting a more cautious viewpoint, a breach below the lower trend line of the triangle pattern could initiate a significant decline, and there's a relative strength index. The daily RSI slope at 47% reflects a neutral to the bearish stance of traders, and maybe entirely later, and those shares will be trying to fit. And Microsoft turnover, or Railcast can see here, between all of the emission trends and Bitcoin price notes, slow gains despite spot ETF hype. First, Bitcoin options expiry after ETF approval, uncertainty prevails. In the XRP of price prediction is the $5 forecast from analyst to realistic goal.